Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my German pancake. This recipe tasted so super amazing and delicious. To my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you, and let's get started. To begin, I started by pouring in some cracked eggs into a bowl. Go ahead and mix it very well. Now add in some sugar to it and stir as well. Add some vanilla extract. Add in some liquid milk. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. Now go ahead and add in some melted butter. Okay, mix to combine. Once done, set it aside. For the dry ingredients, in a bowl, add in the flour and add in your salt. Add in some baking powder. Mix until they are well incorporated. Okay, next, now go ahead and pour in the dry ingredient into the wet ingredient bit by bit and keep mixing until there are no lumps left, okay, as you can see here on the screen. Once done mixing, let the mixture sit for around 15 minutes, okay? .15 minutes now. In a clean dry frying pan, add bits of vegetable oil or butter as well. Once that is hot, add in some pancake batter to the pan lightly and rock around so that the pattern distributes eventually into the pan and does not get too thick in the middle, okay? To know it is cooked until you see bubbles forming and the pancake appear more cooked. Now flip to the other side as you can see on the screen here. Cook it on the other side until lightly brown. So I repeated this process until I'm done with the rest of the pattern. Once that is done, remove the pancake from the pan and set it aside on a plate or in whichever way you prefer yours, okay? And our German pancake is ready to be served. Tasted so super delicious and yummy-licious. Yeah, you can enjoy it with your jam, sugar, cinnamon mix, Nutella, peanut butter, ice cream, honey or veggies or sauce, or in whichever way you prefer it, okay? Hope you find this amazing recipe helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed or followed this page, please follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.